Namaste, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my mini terrace gardens harvest and also will share our ground floor flowers harvest also. So these vegetables will be sufficient for 2 days as I'll be mixing other veggies too. So I have grown tamarind plant from the seeds, trying to make it as a bonsai. So have pruned it, and these are few flowers. We'll make a garland out of it. Now let's see our ground floor flowers. This is Mexican flame vine. It's a twining vine. It's a good choice for trellis. The shoots cannot survive frost, but the roots will. So again in the spring it starts growing. So they come in pretty good orange to red shade, and these are red seeds. Next I have this bleeding heart vine. Its name is Cleodendron. These are very decorative with two color flowers. Next, this is Plumeria pudica, commonly known as Nagachampa, perhaps due to the shape of the leaf that is similar to the hood of the snake. This plant has great medicinal values in Ayurveda, and the flowers have very good fragrance too. And they come in bunches and stay for at least 2 to 3 days. So good to have these. Next, this is well known to all, hibiscus. Satisfies the flowers for puja, so I don't buy from outside. So these flowers will be sufficient. So each part has its own value. Even leaves are used. The flowers also can be used to make tea. Leaves, we know, like for hair they are very good. So this is also must have plant for everyone. Even they grow well in pots too. And this one, it is Tungberia erecta. It's a perennial climbing plant with small dark blue to purple flowers. Its common name is bush clock vine, king's mantle and potato bush. These grow up to 4 to 6 feet tall and they propagate well by cuttings. And no serious pest. This is another variety in hibiscus. See the colors, so bright. Red in the center, light white outline and creamy yellow. So this is my personal favorite. Now many variety of shades we can see in hibiscus. Earlier used to see only the red one. Trying to collect even the other colors. This is Mimosa pudica, commonly known as touch-me-not plant, well known to all. In Telugu it is known as Attipatti, whereas in Hindi it's known as Chuimui, elder or younger. Everyone loves to play with it for a second. It's lovely. See the flower. Since it's grown in land, that's why it has grown so big. And even the seeds are there. You can comment for any requirement. Last but not the least, have these white periwinkles, and here I have the Aparajitas, commonly known as Shankapushpi in Hindi. In India, this plant is reversed as a holy flower and used in daily puja. These flowers are considered as one of the favorite flowers of Lord Ganesha. I have total 3 shades of it: white, purple and semi-purple. So for any seed requirement you can just comment. Details are in the description. Meet our morning raga singers. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, do share with your friends and please comment. And those who are watching for the first time, Please subscribe and do hit the bell icon to get the notifications. And happy gardening.